Hey guys, so today I will be talking about how I have been managing my work life and my kid all together at the same time. So, the first thing, which is I think the most important part, is create small goals. Okay, you don't have to create unrealistic goals. I mean, that's what I did. I used to create a list of things. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to complete this, I'm going to try to accomplish very unrealistic. And I think that really burdened me and it overwhelmed me a lot. Okay, so the first most important thing is create small goals. In fact, just one or two goals, and that is okay. Second is managing time. This is a really crucial topic because it's very difficult managing time along with your kid at home and you also working from home. So what I used to do is, obviously, when my kid used to sleep for two times a day, so around 4 hours, I used to get 4 hours. I used to try waking up early in the morning, and that really helped me because I used to get that morning peace, which I love. But that's not possible for everybody. I can understand because not all kids sleep. My kid has started sleeping now, but earlier it used to be like a crazy time. We used to be awake almost the entire night, like three, four times, five times. It used to be so difficult. So obviously, those days were very difficult. But now, as my son sleeps for the entire night, I try to wake up early because I'm a morning person. Third, hire a nanny, hire a help. So if you don't have your family close to you and you don't have any other help and it's just you and your child the entire day, you have to hire a nanny. Trust me, it has helped me. I know it's a very difficult thing because getting a nanny, getting a good house help is another task. It's a discussion for another video. But it's very important because you get those few hours to just breathe. And trust me, that is really important. Fourth, it's okay. It's okay to not accomplish everything. There are few days wherein you can't do any work. There are few days wherein your nanny will suddenly call you and tell you that I won't be able to come. There will be few days when your kid will be sick, you might be sick. um, Anything can happen and it's okay. Don't get overwhelmed, don't feel like you haven't accomplished uh, a lot on those days, and that's okay because you have to be prepared for those days as well. Fifth is mom guilt, and this happens to every mom. So just take time in the middle, thoda sa take a few breaks, and just dedicate those breaks to your child. Uh, Play with your child, cuddle your child, um, go out with your child, spend some time. And I think that really helps because in your mind you have that burden of mom guilt, like you are focusing on your work and you're not able to give time to your child. So I think these few breaks, they really help. It makes you feel good. So yeah, I think that's it. These are few things that really helped me. I won't say that these are super perfect or there are more few things because this is a very subjective topic and everybody has different problems to solve and manage. But just don't worry, you are doing great and you are the best mom your child deserves. And yeah, it's a wrap. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see more content like this, please like, share, subscribe. If you have more such tips and tricks about how you have balanced your life, please comment below. I would love to connect. Bye bye.